Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first episode of my beard oil reviews. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the Devil's Beard brand. They have the beard oil and they have the beard grower. We're going to talk about their scents and what they do and how they work. So guys, at first we're going to talk about the beard oil. The beard oil has the smell of lavender. It smells not that great, but the performance, in my opinion, is pretty good. Like from what I've tried in 3 weeks, it's been doing an amazing job. At the same time, you have the beard grower. The beard grower in weeks helps you a lot. For me personally, I have not seen much change as I have a big beard already. But a couple of friends of mine have been using it for a while and they have seen a lot of changes. I really do recommend the beard grower. The beard grower even has the smell of a lavender. There's no much difference in it. It's almost the same smell. So I'm going to show you how to apply both the beard oil and the beard grower. First, you take the palm of your hand. You open it up, take a squeeze. Put 5 drops. 5 drops in the palm of your hand. Mix it up real well. Put it up in your beard. Then take your trusty comb and brush it out. And then you take the beard oil. You open it up. Same thing, 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops in the palm of your hands. Lay it in. All in. Then the same thing, just brush it out. And that's basically how you apply the Devil's Beard brand. It works. You can take my word for that, it works. I've been using it for almost 3 weeks. You can find them on Instagram. I think their name is Bahrain Beard Shop. And just for the side note, I did not pay for these. They sent it to me and for me to review it and I accepted. It's 3 weeks and it's doing amazing jobs. And this is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment and subscribe. This is Mohammed Shadi signing out. Thank you.